Hello, this is John. John runs the PMO organization at his company, and he is frustrated. For years, his team used Word documents, spreadsheets, and SharePoint lists to manage his projects. It certainly was flexible enough, but turned into a mess with all of the teams doing something just a little different with their plans, projects, and resources. So John bought a full-blown program and project management system. He thought he would be getting things under control and paid a pretty penny to get the biggest and best PPM system he could buy. Except it was so complicated. Everyone had to spend all of their time carefully managing the tool rather than the project. His team got so tired of it that they let the details slip through the cracks until the big system couldn't solve the problem of organizing and understanding all of John's projects. He thought briefly about a task management system. They already had Jira on site, but it wasn't enough for the repetitive, scalable, and long-term planning that was needed in an SAP environment. He loved the agile development, but it just wasn't enough to manage the scale of SAP. Along came Titan Project Management Solutions. It was the perfect blend, easy to understand, but robust enough to carry each of the SAP projects he needed. Since it was installed in Solution Manager, he could let his whole organization have access, and the cost was negligible. The system was easy for users to learn and allowed him to report on all of the information his projects were already tracking. John now knew all of the projects that were planned or in progress. He could track the status across each team on all projects and quickly understand those in jeopardy with risk and issues, or which ones were expanding too quickly with change requests. Strategic planning was now a breeze, since Titan gathered all of the proposed projects and helped automate much of their resource planning. His favorite had to be the requirements management. He was finally able to keep the history of his builds together. He knew each and every time a development or configuration was changed and why. But it didn't take any additional work to input the data compared to the SharePoint site he started out with. He even integrated Jira for task management and Zephyr Scale for test management. His team was already familiar with those tools, so it made sense to utilize those products in conjunction with Titan. The entire organization loved the reporting because everyone finally understood the details of the entire scope of projects at the company. Executives, business teams, development, functional and QA, even PMO could really get behind it. Efficient and effective. John finally found it with Titan Project Management